everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna dive into the exclusive Ohuhu Japanese 80 marker set. Let's unbox it and see what we've got. Right on top, there's a special note about a Japanese symbol called mizuhiki. It's a beautiful ornament that represents appreciation and celebration. Pretty cool, right? Now let's get into the bag. Inside, we've got some images that have already been colored in, along with blank copies to practice blending and shading with the markers. There's also a protector sheet included. We've got 2 swatch cards here, each with 40 colors. Now let's check out the markers themselves. This set features chisel and brush tips, starting with primrose, lemon chiffon, calamansi, acid yellow. Next up is deep lemon. This one's an exclusive color in the set. Grain yellow, another exclusive color. Spring orange, another exclusive color. Light orange. Here's chrome orange. Cadmium orange. Yellowish shade. Light reddish yellow, another exclusive. Light salmon pink, another exclusive color. Chocolate pink. Light tea rose. Blush, another exclusive color. I'm sure this will be great for blending. Cadmium red. Lipstick red. Bougainvillea. Cardinal. Water lily, not exclusive, but definitely one of my favorites. Light hot pink. Lavender pink, another exclusive color, beautiful. Pale pink, another exclusive. Queen pink, probably my most favorite color. Light pink. Tender pink. Crimson. Pearl violet. Amethyst. Deep purple, exclusive to the set. Begonia, another exclusive. Viola. Prune. Hydrangea blue, also an exclusive color. Bluebell. Dark slate blue. Frost blue. Baby blue, yep, another exclusive color. Robin's egg blue. Tahitian blue. Process blue. Pale blue. Phthalo blue. Hyacinth. Ultramarine. Marina. Celadon green. Mignonet. Yellowish green. Acid green. Horseradish. Lettuce green. Lime green. Willow. Moss. Dark olive. Jade green. Horizon green. Pond green. Light holly green. Viridian. Pale fruit pink. Cotton pearl. Pink flamingo. Lipstick natural. Brown, an exclusive color. Eggshell white. Copper. Sand. Chamois. Leather. Dark brown. Milky white, another exclusive color. Tea Rose, black, neutral grey 02, neutral grey 03, neutral grey 050, neutral grey 070. And that's all the colors in the exclusive Japanese Ohuhu set. The price for this was around $80, not including shipping, and it's available on eBay, but prices might vary depending on when you watch this video. It's a fantastic set with 19 exclusive colors, perfect for expanding your creative marker collection. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.